Why not to use a secure encrypted phone? What are the disadvantages? The first and most important disadvantage is that they provide you with their own hardware. So not only that you have to trust the software installed, you have to trust also the hardware. The hardware is produced mostly in China, and it's not Samsung or iPhone factories. It's who knows whoever factory. You don't know if it's coming with a spyware or with a malware, and maybe the company itself that is providing you this secure encrypted phone doesn't know what really it includes. So it's a huge problem, the hardware, and you have to trust the hardware and the software. So when you are using a secure encrypted phone that people are providing you, it's coming with this hardware that you don't know really the origin of. That's the first thing. The second most important thing to remember is that it's a very different phone. It's not like, the regular Samsungs or iPhones or Xiaomi or whatever, LG, whatever company you want, but it looks different. And this is like attracting a lot of attention. You don't need this attention. You don't need people to understand that something is fishy with your telephone, that you are trying to hide something. It's like, going around with a James Bond telephone, and people may ask, why, what is this? Okay, why it looks like that? What is the purpose of this telephone? So when you are going around with a smartphone or a device that looks like a smartphone, and it's coming from a reliable company like Samsung and other companies, so it's like you are going around with a completely regular smartphone without any issues and any questions. That's the reason what we do. We provide special softwares that this is the DigitalBank SuperEncryption system that got installed into regular smartphones. Why? Because they can you can buy a smartphone, install the system inside, and then it will transform that device into a dedicated encryption device, a real platform for encryption, instead of using an encrypted phone that you don't know the origin of the hardware. So actually what we are doing, we are not providing the hardware. We can do it, and there are clients that are asking for it, but we prefer that you buy your own hardware. That can be any Android device, any Windows laptop, and install our super encryption systems. This is the right way to do it, because at least you don't have the disadvantage of trusting an unknown hardware, and your devices will look normal to anyone and will not look something